And that's a massive cloud cover at the back straight. That's turn 6, turn 7. As you can see, a massive cloud cover there. And we've got sunshine again. So the Madras Motorsport Racetrack sits on 200 acres of land. So it could vary in degree of the weather conditions. You could have sunlight in one part and rain in the other. An absolute thrilling fight happening in the midsection at the moment. That's for P3 between Arvind Ganesh, Karthik Mateti, Anup Kumar and S. Sivanesan. Arun Muthukrishnan has made some headway and moved into P7 all the way from P11. He's got the pace, but still lagging behind. He's still stuck in the 2-minute 2:97, while the others are under the 2-minute second pace. An impressive race coming from Arvind Ganesh there, who was in P9, has moved all the way into P4. He's on the charge. He's got a he's very strong through Sector 1. He's got the fastest Sector 1 last time around. And will be looking to get ahead of Karthik Mateti as he closes in on Karthik at the moment. Back in the front, Anandar keeping a heavy head and a steady rhythm on that arm. Clocking in the fastest with a 157.995 last time around. With Surya PM trailing behind with a 158. Less than 100th of a second difference between the two. Can Surya PM catch up and give Anandar a strong fight for the finish? At the moment, Karthik Mateti there getting a little bit of action from Arvind Ganesh, S. Sivanesan and Anup Kumar. All four of them in the mix here. It's a four-way fight currently for P3. With Arvind Ganesh leading that charge. He got a very good line from C7 and managed to keep it tight through the fast left-hander section into the main straight. Well, Arvind will be looking to stretch a little out so that the rest of the pack cannot catch up to the slipstream, but I think they're quite close. Surya PM having an absolute ride of his life at the moment. I'm pretty sure he's got a nice giggle on his face at the moment. Back in the mid-bunch, we've got Arvind Ganesh leading the charge here in P3 at the moment with Karthik Mateti, S. Sivanesan and Anup Kumar in hot pursuit. The most interesting fights happening here at the moment. The championship leader would be quite happy that he can edge himself out in the championship contention with a little more relief that Vivek Pillai is sitting out of this race. An unfortunate disaster for Vivek Pillai as he had a flat on his tire just before race start. How unfortunate is that? Well, we wish him all the best for tomorrow's race. I mean, that's the best we can do now. We have to move forward. In the meantime, Anandar having a little bit of trouble from the rear tire and having a lot of wobble, as we can see. His suspension moving quite a bit as the tire is struggling to keep that traction. Well, he pushed quite a bit early on in this race. He's completed close to we're running into the 5th lap at the moment, and we're seeing a lot of movement coming in from Anand's bike. It would be safe to say that he will have to keep a very, very steady rhythm on his hand and smoothen it out as much as he can. Because any abrupt acceleration from that bike can be colossally damaging at this point of the race. Last time around, Surya PM hammering the Apache RR 310 with the fastest 157.763. And the best part about this is the fastest lap of this entire race. Coming into the close of the 5th lap. Arvind Ganesh still leading the charge here with Karthik Mateti losing up to S. Sivanesan, who's picked up the pace a little bit and is trying to get ahead of Arvind Ganesh. Well, he's got a faster pace as he's clocked in a 158.783 while Arvind is on a 159.108. We could see a little bit of movement just in front of this last lap board as they enter the main straight. That's Karthik That's Surya PM trying to catch up to Anandar. In the meantime, Arvind Ganesh still holding the fort down very well with S. Sivanesan there on the charge, right behind him with Kartik Mateti and Anup Kumar in the mix there. So it's a four-way fight for P3 at the moment. What an absolutely thrilling move by Sivanesan as he gets ahead at turn 1 and moves and keeps the bike to stick it out, keep his nose front, coming out of turn 3, which is the most important bit if he has to lead at this part of the race. Arvind Ganesh will not be looking at this lightly and will not let this go lightly. Let's not forget, Arvind Ganesh is a very formidable and experienced racer and has been racing for over 6 years at the moment. What a turn of events here. Kartik Mateti, who is standing in P3, currently trailing behind out of podium contention, owing to a strong fight from Arvind Ganesh, who's a championship leader, who's moved in all the way from P9 and has done an absolutely phenomenal job grabbing every bit of lead that he can into the points table. In his favor is the fact that his main contender, who is just 6 points below him, is Vivek Pillai, and who's sitting out of this race owing to a technical issue, owing to a front tire flat. Ladies and gentlemen, as they come into the last sector of this last lap, Kartik Mateti, they're putting everything on the line, going as hot and wide as possible into turn 11, which will not work at this section because Sivanesan and Arvind Ganesh has blocked him out. At the moment, in the lead and in the charge, Anand, Surya PM taking victory in front of Anand R. What a turn and what a twist of events in that last sector, with S. Sivanesan taking third, Anup Kumar taking fourth, Kartik Mateti in fifth, and Arvind Ganesh, who had an inch into P3, finishing in P6. Arun Muthukrishnan will have to take a lonesome P7, while S. Kannan with a P8.